Namaskara and a musical welcome to all our listeners who have joined us to listen to this 1 hour of musical extravaganza. Listen to Annamacharya and Ramadasu's Sankirtanas. Music is life. That's why our hearts have beats. The heartbeat is one of the most sweetest sound that is even heard even before we mark our presence on this world, on this earth, in this world, where temples have no chants and lovers have no melodies and babies do not have lullabies. Can we imagine a world without sound, without rhythm, without melody, or with music? Ours is a country where every celebration is marked with lots of gaiety, lots of sound, and music. The way we walk, talk, and breathe is full of rhythm and melody. In essence, music is life. The Naradiya Siksha says that Sa comes from the peacock, Re from the bull, Ga from the goat, Ma from the karanchi bird, Pa from the cuckoo bird, Da from the horse, and Ni from the elephant. So all living organisms are connected with one another through music, and it is through music that human beings celebrate life itself. In our commitment to promote and provide a platform for the talented young and also upcoming artists, today we present a well known singing sensation, V. Vasanti, Rohit from Hyderabad. And MCA, she is a software engineer by qualification. She was professionally employed at Cognizant Technology Solutions, Hyderabad for 8 years. Then she changed professional gears and gave in to her calling of interior designing independently in the areas of planning, designing, and execution. With 18 projects successfully completed so far, she is poised to make a mark in this field too in the days to come. She is a passionate music lover and has a command over all genres of music, be it classical, semi classical, devotional, folk, western, and film songs, through the constant encouragement of her parents. She started learning music from the age of 6, but sang Telugu Geetanjali movie in that movie at the age of 2. Even before she learned the alphabets, probably she was more familiar and knew the musical notes. After that, her father, who learnt music under well noted Sri Chittaranjan, taught her light music songs. Her skills were honed under Gurus Mangatayaru, Sri Rajaram, and Srimati Aruna, and she trained in classical music vocals for 8 years. It was in 2001 that she joined Annamacharya Bhavan Vahini, and she has specialized in these compositions and was fortunate to accompany Padma Shri Shobha Raju, a Vidwan of Annamaya Kirtis, to many forums. She has 3 gold medals in national level singing competitions on Annamacharya Kirtanas. She was selected as one of the best 3 singers in the national level Santur contest in song. She has given live performances for many TV programs, mainly on devotional songs, besides in many temple festivals, corporate functions, and fundraising programs too. She has cut discs as her own has her own YouTube channel also that is quite popular. She is able to sing accurately, following musical notes, and this will unfold in the next 5 minutes. So, before we come to the program per se, there is a small video of 1 minute 40 seconds, and that is a tribute by Destination Heritage to the speakers earlier in the last 3 weeks who spoke on the Ramayana theme in various facets. And today we have this young singer who will sing on in praise of Rama through the songs of Annamacharya and Ramadasu. So, Mr. Rao, will you please put on the video? Thank you, Mr. Rao. A great Carnatic composer of Telugu Carnatic music and literature was Sri Tallapaka Annamacharya. Saint Annamacharya is the first Vagekara person who could compose lyrics, music, and sing also. And he was a mystic saint, composer of the 15th century. His compositions are in praise of Lord Venkateshwara basically, but he also has composed some songs which is in praise of Rama, which Vasanti has chosen them. Annamacharya composed about 32,000 Sankirtanas on Lord Venkateshwara, of which only about 12,000 are available today. His compositions were forgotten for over 3 centuries for some explicable reason. In the year 1849, they were later found engraved on copper plates, hidden for centuries inside the Sri Venkateshwara temple at Tirumala, just opposite the Hundi, concealed in a very small room. So now Vasanti will take over the stage. She will start the program with the Maha Ganapati Manasa Smarami, which is in Ragam Nata, Talam Adi, and the composer is Muthuswami Dikshitar in Sanskrit. This is an invocatory song for a wonderful start in the next 1 hour and praying to the Vigna Harta for no hitches, especially of the Vidyut kind in today's times. May Shri Ganapati bless us all. Over to you, Vasanti.
Thank you very much. महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् आ महादेवसुतम् महादेवसुतं बोरुगुहनुतं देवसुतं बोरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमागणपतिम्
I am sure, Vasanti, that Mahaganapatim is very pleased with this rendering, and I'm sure we will be having a 1 hour glitch-free program and happy listening to all the listeners.
Thank you
The
so
second
much.
song that we'll be rendering is Valmiki Kokila. This is a wake-up song to Lord Rama by Valmiki's Kokila, imploring that Hanuman is calling. Lakshmana is waiting to touch the feet of his brother, and everyone's heart is filled with Rama. So, if you don't wake up, how can the universe rise and shine? So, over to you, Vasanti.
వాల్మీకి వాల్మీకి కోకిల పాడింది గీతం లేవయ్య శ్రీరామ సుప్రభాతం వాల్మీకి కోకిల పాడింది గీతం లేవయ్య శ్రీరామ సుప్రభాతం కౌసల్యా సుప్రజా రామా కౌసల్యా సుప్రజా రామా పిలిచెను హనుమా అదిగో వినుమా పిలిచెను హనుమా అదిగో వినుమా వాల్మీకి కోకిల పాడింది గీతం లేవయ్య శ్రీరామ సుప్రభాతం పొత్తు పొడిచేనా పొత్తు పొడిచేనా రవికుల రామా పొత్తు పొడిచేనా రవికుల రామా నిన్ను చూడగానే మారుతికి నీ చూపు సోకగా శ్రీరామచంద్ర నీ చూపు సోకగా శ్రీరామచంద్ర మతి విరిసేనాని శ్రీమతికి నీ చూపు సోకగా శ్రీరామచంద్ర మతి విరిసేనాని శ్రీమతికి మా సీతమ్మకు వాల్మీకి కోకిల పాడింది గీతం లేవయ్య శ్రీరామ సుప్రభాతం అన్నరామన్న చరణమంటాలని ఎదురు చూసేనదిగో లక్ష్మణ అన్నరామన్న చరణమంటాలని ఎదురు చూసేనదిగో లక్ష్మణ ప్రతి ఎదలోనా కొలువున్న రామ ప్రతి ఎదలోనా కొలువున్న రామ నీవు మేలుకోకుంటే సృష్టి నడచునా నీవు మేలుకోకుంటే సృష్టి నడచునా వాల్మీకి కోకిల పాడింది గీతం లేవయ్య శ్రీరామ సుప్రభాతం థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I don't know how Valmiki's Kokila sang, but today we have a Ghana Kokila for this one whole hour to regale us with her mellifluous voice.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
The next is composed by Bhadrachalam Ramadasa in Ragam Ananda Bhairavi and Talam Adi. పలుకే బంగారమాయన కోదండ పాని Over to you, Vasanti.
Thank you. Well sung by you, auntie. Hmm. పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా పలుకే బంగారమాయే పిలచిన పలుకవేమి పలుకే బంగారమాయే పిలచిన పలుకవేమి కలలోని నామస్మరణ మరువ చక్కని తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా ఎంతో వేడిన గాని సొంతైన దయరాదు ఎంతో వేడిన గాని సొంతైన దయరాదు పంతం మోసేయని నేనెంతటి వాడను తండ్రి పంత మోసేయని నేనెంతటి వాడబు తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా ಶರಣಾಗತ ತ್ರಾಣ ಬಿರುದಾಂಕಿ ತುಳವುಗವ ಶರಣಾಗತ ತ್ರಾಣ ಬಿರುದಾಂಕಿ ತುಳವುಗವ ಕರುಣಿಂಚು ಭದ್ರಾಚಲ ವರ ರಾಮದಾಸ ಪೋಷಕ ಕರುಣಿಂಚು ಭದ್ರಾಚಲ ವರ ರಾಮದಾಸ ಪೋಷಕ ಪಲುಕೆ బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా పలుకే బంగారమాయ పిలచిన పలుకవేమి పలుకే బంగారమాయ పిలచిన పలుకవేమి కలలోని నామస్మరణ మరువ చక్కని తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా కోదండపాణి పలుకే బంగారమాయేరా
So Vasanti brought out the agony and the pathos of Bhakta Ramdasa, which was very well reflected in this song, as Kodandapani, the wielder of the bow, was not answering his prayers when he can shower his blessings on a small creature like the squirrel. Why is he not showering his kripe on him? And the last para which she sang in that antara, it carries the name of Ramadasu. Very well sung, Vasanti. The fourth item is Anta Ramamayam. This is another composition of Ramadasu, sung by S.P. Balasubramaniam. And as a tribute to him who left us yesterday, we thought we will add this song. And it is in Raga Varali and Aditala. The meaning of this song says, everything is overflowing with Rama. In fact, the universe itself is filled with Rama. Desire, anger, delusion, misery, pride, jealousy is also permeated by Rama. This name is the one which fulfill the desire of the courageous Ramadasa of Bhadrachalam. Over to you, Vasanti.
అంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతరంగమున ఆత్మరాముడనంతరూపమున వింతలు సదుపగ అంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతా రామమయం అంతరంగమున ఆత్మరాముడనంతరూపమున వింతలు సరూపగ అంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతా రామమయం సోమ సూర్యులును సురలు తారలును ఆ మహాంబుధులు అఖిల జగంబులు సోమ సూర్యులును సురలు తారలును ఆ మహాంబుధులు అఖిల జగంబులు అండాండంబులు ఇండాండంబులు బ్రహ్మాండంబులు బ్రహ్మలు మొదలు అంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతా రామమయం నదులు వనంబులు నానా మృగములు విదిత కర్మములు వేద శాస్త్రములు అష్టదిక్కులును ఆదిశేషుడును అష్టవసువును హరిషడ్గవరములు ధీరుడు భద్రాచల రామదాసుని కోరికలో సగిడి తారక రామము అంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతా రామమయం అంతరంగమున ఆత్మరాముడనంతరూపమున వింతలు సరూపగంతా రామమయం ఈ జగమంతా రామమయం అంతా రామమయం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Om Shanti Om. We remember SPB, the much loved SPB, very fondly known SP Balasubramaniam, and we read in the newspapers today that he said if he was to be born again, he would love to be born as a Kannadiga and in Karnataka. So there goes one more connection to Karnataka and Bangalore. The fifth song is Narayanate Namo Namo. Again, an Annamacharya composition in Raga Dira Shankara Bharanam Adi Tala. The song is in praise of Lord Venkateshwara, who is given different names and known by different names, with Annamaya not seeing any difference in his numerous images. The name and the images all mean the same to him. Salutations to him who likes music, who is primal, worshipped by one and all. From the clan of the Yadavas who saved the Vedas. He is the Lord of Venkata. Over to you, Vasanti.
Hmm. नमो नारायण ते नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो ओ मुरहर भवहर मुकुन्द माधव मुरहर भवहर मुकुन्द माधव मुरहर भवहर मुकुन्द माधव गरुडगमन पङ्कजनाभा मुरहर भवहर मुकुन्द माधव गरुडगमन पङ्कजनाभा परमपुरुष भवबन्ध विमोचना परमपुरुष भवबन्ध विमोचना परमपुरुष भवबन्ध विमोचना नरमृग शरीर नमो 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 नरमृग शरीर नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो ओ आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित यादव कुल मोहन रूपा आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित यादव कुल मोहन रूपा वेदोद्धर तिरुवेङ्कटनायका वेदोद्धर तिरुवेङ्कटनायका वेदोद्धर तिरुवेङ्कटनायका नाद प्रियते नमो 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 नाद प्रियते नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भवनारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो 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 ओ
Namo, Namo. Very evocatively sung from the heart, Vasanti. The
Thank you.
next is a composition of Tyagarajas. Bantu Riti Kolu Viyavaiya Rama. So here, this is in Hamsanada Raga and Aditala. So Tyagaraja here begs Lord Rama to give him the placement of a god. The symbolic meaning is that he always wants to be in his presence, that is Sri Rama's Sannidhi. Anupallavi says that the God's post should be such that he is empowered to destroy all the demons, which are Arishad Vargas, that is the six passions of the mind. Over to you, Vasanti.
Thank you. ಬಂಡುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಡುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟುರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ತುಂಟ ವಿಂಟಿವಾನಿ ಮೋದೈನ ಮದ ತುಂಟ ವಿಂಟಿವಾನಿ ಮೋದೈನ ಮದ ತುಂಟ ವಿಂಟಿವಾನಿ ಮೋದೈನ ಮದ ತುಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನೇಲ ತುಲ చేయೋ ನಿಜ ತುಂಟ ವಿಂಟಿವಾನಿ ಮೋದೈನ ಮದ ತುಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನೇಲ ಮೂಲ చేయೋ ನಿಜ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲು ವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Dear listeners, if you had have observed, you can see that her genre of songs has spanned from the classical, this song, semi-classical, devotional, and she's also able to sing Western songs. And who wouldn't love to be Rama's Bantu? The next song is an Annamacharya composition, Rajiva Netra. Salutation, the song says, Salutations to Rama, who is known variously as Lotus eyed Raghava, Lord of Janaki, son of Dasaratha, the destroyer of the wicked Tataki, the protector of Vishwamitra's austerities, who brings down Shiva's bow, who subdued the anger of Parashurama and the conferring of success, and finally, salutation to the benevolent Lord Venkateshwara, who is like a holy tree and who is none other than heroic Rama. Over to you, Vasanti.
राजीवनेत्राय राघवाय नमो। राजीवनेत्राय राघवाय नमो। सौजन्यनिलयाय जानकी साराय राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो। सौजन्यनिलयाय जानकी साराय राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो। दशरथतनूजाय ताटकगमनाय कुसिकसम्भवय गोपराय। दशरथतनूजाय ताटकगमनाय कुसिकसम्भवय गोपराय। पशुपति महाधनुर्भञ्जनाय नमो। पशुपति महाधनुर्भञ्जनाय नमो। विशद भार्गव रामा विजयकरणा राजीवनेत्राय राघवाय नमो। सौजन्यनिलयाय जानकी साराय राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो। भरितधर्माय शूर्पणखाङ्गहरणाय करदूषणादिरिपो खण्डनाय। भरितधर्माय शूर्पणखाङ्गहरणाय करदूषणाधिरिपो खण्डनाय। तरणि सम्भव सैन्यदक्षकाय नमो। तरणि सम्भव यज्ञदक्षकाय नमो। निरुपमावाहि निधिबन्धना राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो। सौजन्यनिलयाय जानकी साराय राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो। हत रावणाय संयमिनादवरदाय अतुलितायोध्य पुरादिशाय। हत रावणाय संयमिहादवरदाय अतुलितायोध्य पुरादिशाय। हितकर श्री वेंकटेश्वराय नमो। हितकर श्री वेंकटेश्वराय नमो। वितवा विनिपाठी वीरराहा राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो। सौजन्यनिलयाय निग्रहाय जानकी साराय राजीव नेत्राय राघवाय नमो नमो नमो
Very beautifully rendered, Vasanti.
Thank you
Rajiva
so much.
Netra. Rajiva Netra. Through your song, we could visualize the various forms of Rama in our mind's eye. Thank you. The eighth song is Pavamulona Bahayamu Nandunu. It is an Annamacharya composition that is Vasanti's favorite, and she excels in rendering this song in Ragam, Shuddha Danyasi, and Talam Adi. This song describes about the Dolotsavam of Lord Venkateshwara. Annamaya also explains the significance of each of Venkatesha's name. Example, he says, serve by saying Govinda, search by saying Vishnu, seek shelter by saying Achyuta. Since he is omnipresent, he resides in every soul in the universe. Achyuta translates to eternal. So over to you, Vasanti.
Hmm. భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును గోవింద గోవింద యని కొలువగో మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును గోవింద గోవింద యని కొలువగో మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును హరి అవతారములే అఖిల దేవతలు హరిలోనివే బ్రహ్మాండంబులు హరి అవతారములే అఖిల దేవతలు హరిలోనివే బ్రహ్మాండంబులు హరినామములే అన్ని మంత్రములు హరినామములే అన్ని మంత్రములు హరి 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 అనవో మనసా హరి 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 అనవో మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును గోవింద గోవింద యని కొలువగో మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును విష్ణుని మహిమలే విహిత కర్మములు విష్ణుని పొగడేడి వేదంబులు విష్ణుని మహిమలే విహిత కర్మములు విష్ణుని పొగడేది వేదంబులు విష్ణుడొక్కడే విశ్వాత్తరాత్ముడు విష్ణుడొక్కడే విశ్వాంతరాత్ముడు విష్ణువు విష్ణువని వేదకవు మనసా విష్ణువు విష్ణువని వేదకవు మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును గోవింద గోవింద యని కొలువగో మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును అచ్యుతుడితడే ఆదియునంత్యము అచ్యుతుడే అసురాంతకుడు అచ్యుతుడితడే ఆదియునంత్యము అచ్యుతుడే అసురాంతకుడు అచ్యుతుడు శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రి మీద నిదే అచ్యుతుడు శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రి మీద నిదే అచ్యుత అచ్యుత శరణవు మనసా అచ్యుత అచ్యుత శరణవు మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును గోవింద గోవింద యని కొలువగో మనసా భావములోన బాహ్యమునందును ఓ
Achyuta songs very actually etched in our heart, very beautifully sung. The last ninth number, God feet in this Sankirtana. These feet washed by Brahma are the abode of the Supreme Lord Himself. This is in relation to Vamana placing of his 3 feet. It is during this foot travel that Brahma takes the opportunity to wash the Lord's feet. Annamaya is now referring to this episode. Additionally, the earth measured his foot, and Bali bore 1 foot on his head. He sings. The cows were protected by these feet. Kamini's sins were also washed with these feet. The Shri, your mind is on these feet. The Tirumala Venkatagiri's soil has shown the supreme Tirtha and the truth as your feet. So over to you, Vasanti.
థ్యాంక్ యూ బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానే పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానే పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము
చెలగి వసుధ గొలిచినది పాదము బలితరమోపిన పాదము చెలగి వసుధ గొలిచినది పాదము బలితరమోపిన పాదము తలక గగనము తన్నిన పాదము తలక గగనము తన్నిన పాదము తలక గగనము తన్నిన పాదము బలరి పొగాచిన పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానేని పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము కామిని పాపము కడిగిన పాదము పాము తల నిడిన పాదము కామిని పాపము కడిగిన పాదము పాము తల నిడిన పాదము ప్రేమకు శ్రీ సఖీ పిసికడి పాదము ప్రేమకు శ్రీ సఖీ పిసికడి పాదము ప్రేమకు శ్రీ సఖీ పిసికడి పాదము పామిడి తోరగపు పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానేని పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము పరమయోగులకు పరిపరి విధముల వరముసగడిని పాదము పరమయోగులకు పరిపరి విధముల వరముసగడిని పాదము తిరువేంకటగిరి తిరమని చూపిన తిరువేంకటగిరి తిరమని చూపిన తిరువేంకటగిరి తిరమని చూపిన పరమ పదముని పాదము తిరువేంకటగిరి తిరమని చూపిన పరమ పదముని పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానేని పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము
I'm told by our technical expert that I got frozen in the frame, and for the benefit of our listeners, our Kannadigas and Telugu speaking. I would like to repeat the essence, the meaning of the Brahmamu Kadigina Padamu, the essence of that song that we just sang. This is an Annamayarya composition wherein he describes the greatness of Lord Vishnu's feet in Kirtana. These feet washed by Brahma are the abode of knowledge itself. This is in relation to when the foot's travel through the heavens, Brahma takes the opportunity to wash the Lord's feet. Annamaya is now referring to this episode. Additionally, the earth measured this foot, and Bali bore 1 foot on his head. He further thinks the cows were protected by these feet. Kamini's sins were also washed with these feet. These feet stood on the snake's head. With love, Shri, your wife, massages these feet. An ignorant person's mind is on these feet. The Tirumala Venkatagiri soil has shown the supreme truth as your feet. So it was a beautiful 55 minutes of rendering. Now let us see what our audience, the listeners, have to say about this program. I have said enough. So
Thank you
let us
so
take the
much, Aunty. And
feedback.
I would like to thank Destination Heritage managing trustee and the managing director of Destination Heritage, Mrs. Geeta Garu. I want to thank her for this wonderful opportunity. I'm so happy and glad to sing few Sankirtanas today this evening. Thank you so much, Aunty.
It has been our pleasure in our endeavor to bring young talent. We promote the young talent on our platform. It is always open, and we are committed to that. So there is uh, Namaste from UK, Alia Phelps Gardiner Krumbigal. Thank you so much, Alia. Your presence means a lot to us. And Vasanti, this is an international touch to your program.
Thank you so much.
So there are people who have said invocation is very divine. All the best, great start, mellifluous
Thank you.
voice,
Thank you so much.
beautiful
Thank you so much,
rendering.
one and all.
Enjoyed the
Thank,
invocation. Awesome rendition of Ganapati.
thank
Awesome
you.
rendition of Ganapati prayer. Then there is Pratima Ravi Prakash who says Saint Ramadasa of Bhadrachalam. This composition is very endearing. I think it is Paluke Bangaramaya.
Paluke Bangaramaya.
Paluke, I think it is that song. Then
Yes.
she also says, "Thank you, Geeta, for making me understand the lyrics as I was waiting for the meanings. I always feel that just listening to the song without understanding what the essence is does not make much sense. And we
Okay.
being into heritage activities, we understand this situation, and we also feel that the listeners should enjoy the song as well as understanding the meaning. So thank you so much, Pratima Ravi Prakash, for your words of encouragement. Then there is another which says melodious voice and perfect singing. Then beautiful Vasanti from
Thank
Vasumati
you.
Sudhi. Beautiful,
Thank
wonderful
you so much.
rendering,
Thank you.
Vasanti. And there
Thank
is
you.
again from Pratima Ravi Prakash who says, loved this song rendition so much that I just got carried away into a divine world. I think it is Narayanate. Then there
Thank
is Vasudha, who is herself a good singer, and she is noted for conducting annual musical programs. So thank you, Vasudha, for gracing our platform and listening to the young singer and encouraging her. So she says, that's beautifully sung by you, Vasanti. I think again this is Narayanate. So there is
you.
Sundar, he's a chef from Pondicherry, Mahindra Resorts, a good friend of mine, and he says awesome. So I had to bulldoze him that
Thank
to
you.
say that
Thank you
you
very
have to
much.
come and listen to this young singer, at least encourage her. So thank you so much, Chef Sundar, for your encouragement and coming on and listening to this young singer today. There is Vishala M. Upadhyaya who says, Hari Om, melodious and awesome. Very nice to hear.
Thank
Again,
you.
Pratima
Thank you.
Hari Prakash, who says, "Thank you very much, Vasanti. You are a great, talented, and gifted singer as you take the listener into a divine place with every rendition." Then, well presented, thank you. Then, awesome. Then, Mulugapalli Ramachandra Rao, I think he is your father's classmate, who says, from Vijayawada, who says, overall performance was excellent.
Thank you,
God gifted
uncle. Thank
voice
you.
and keep it up. May
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
you, Vasanti. Then there is
Thank you.
from Dr. Ravi Shankar Srinivasan, our ex-director of epigraphy, Mysore, who is now based in Bangalore, who says, Dr. Geeta, thank you for introducing Vasanti Rohit and making an
Okay.
evening wonderfully musical night. And the selections of the compositions are beautiful as they are mostly of Annamacharya and others. Rendering is very melodious and maintaining perfect Shruti.
Thank you.
Singing without accompaniments is rather very difficult. So
Thank you
hats off
very
to
much.
you, Vasanti.
Thank you.
Then there is Ramurthy Ravi Bhaskar from Singapore who says 1 hour of bliss. Then
Thank you so
thank
much.
you, Destination Heritage from Dr. Ramchandra Rao. Thank you, Dr. Ramchandra Rao, for always supporting us and attending all our 8 programs so far without fail. Then there is Indira Allada who says, nice Vasanti. So
Thank
this
you. Thank
goes
you.
to
She's my
show.
auntie. Thank you so much.
And there is Ukkam Satyanarayana Murthy, your
My
father, who
father.
says, God
Yes.
bless you, Vasanti, well done.
Thank you,
So,
Daddy. Thank you so much.
so what I have described about you and gave my feelings after each song has been reiterated by all these comments that we have just now seen on the chat box. So a
Thank you
wonderful,
so much.
wonderful
Thank you.
evening we have had, Vasanti. God bless and stay safe. And we hope that maybe in future we get another opportunity to promote you
Definitely
on
my
my
pleasure.
platform.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so, so much,
Namaste. Thank you.
Vasanti. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you so
And
much.
also,
Thank you
thank you
everyone
for
for all the good wishes.
thank you for all my listeners who have always been supporting us and an encouragement for this young singer, because after all the effort that she has put, it is 1 hour has behind it so many years of practice, and your presence has meant a lot both to her and to me also. So thank you so much for your
Thank you.
support and encouragement. So Shubharatri, and we see you again next Saturday at 5:30 on another program of India and the outside world cultural interface, where we have three foreign scholars giving their giving their understanding and sharing with us the multi dimensions of this facet of India's cultural heritage. So thank you so much.